Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to post videos on X, formerly Twitter. So to do this you have just to go to X and open it. After that go and click on the plus button in the bottom right of the screen, and here you will have multiple options. You can click on the first one, and as you can see it will show you the pictures and the videos that you have on your phone. So you can choose any video. For example, I will choose this one, and you can select up to 4 items, and I will click OK. And as you can see, I can select the quality of the video, and to post it you have just to type whatever you want. I will type test and click post, and like that, as you can see in the bottom of the screen it says sending post, and when the video will be uploaded it will be directly published on my account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next